Hello, fellow traders. Welcome to our weekly market outlook. Like we normally do, we'll be analyzing Euro USD, Pounds USD, DXY, Nasdaq, S&P 500, US30. The last but not the least, good. That's out of the way. Let's head into the chart. First of all, we will start with DXY. This is a weekly DXY. Like we previously analyzed previous week, price, as you can see, the price tried this week to go to this 3 months fair value gap, but could not do that. Obviously tried this week, so it's only working with 0.75. so that is how far on weekly time frame. So we have this pin bar. We have this bearish pin bar. So I'm also expecting as far as weekly time frame is concerned, we are in a very serious ranging market. So I wouldn't be expecting so much movement from DXY. So we are this range. So, but in the range market environment, I will be expecting a lower prices. And this is a daily time frame. Daily time frame, like I said the previous week, I was expecting this to act as a resistance, and this fair value gap also. So this there is this fair value gap. You see this fair value gap. So price definitely is working with this fair value gap. It's holding prices. So that is for. So you can see the way price even this week. This week is very. That in a normal market that's never happened. Why do I say so? If you check, this is a US dollar index future. So this is a ICE. So that the one that provide this data. So you can see this fair value gap is holding price. So we have this price move on Monday, respecting this bearish order block. Bearish order block plus a fair value gap plus this volume imbalance, and also the top end of this 3 months. So there is a huge confluence to act as a resistance to price to go down. So that's why after Monday price opening on Tuesday, we had this drop. Then the rest is history. So coming to this week, I will still be expecting. Lower price, but for now, due to the once there is no fair value gap like this, it's kind of very difficult to predict price. Once there is not when there is not this obvious fair value gap and some liquidity or to grab all this. So I will wait for couple of days because there is a FOMC meeting that is coming. I think probably on Wednesday or thereabouts. So I will be expecting few more candles to show me where are we heading. But in all, I'm expecting lower prices. So that is for DXY. Then we head to Euro USD. This is the inverse of we start with weekly like we normally do. So this week, so we are saying that this 3 months fair value gap is acting as support at this level to push price higher. So that is exactly what we have. If we go to one daily chart, you can see that this is on Monday price. They came here. This is this fair value gap respecting price with this 3 months fair value gap also respecting price. So after we had this, then we had this push up. So that's on Euro USD, but I'm still expecting a higher price, but I will still wait for a few days data to have a clear direction of market. But I'm expecting this level to be taken out, this level and this level. So I'm expecting those levels to be taken out. I'm expecting all those levels to be taken out. Then pounds USD. So we start also from weekly time frame. So we are working with this fair value gap. So as you can see, we open price, come back a bit lower, then tap this weekly fair value gap before moving higher. So I'm still expecting a higher price on weekly time frame, but I will still wait for a few days to see few days 1 or 2 days price either Monday or Tuesday or thereabout, to see price position, to know where I'm heading to. So I'm still bullish on this this pound USD. At least this, I'm expecting this fair value gap. I like this buy side liquidity. I like this buy side. I like this buy side. So I will expect few days. This is a weekly. This level is a weekly inversion fair value gap. Inverted fair value gap. So probably price will use this. We walk around here to move higher, but I'll wait for a few days to see more clearer price action before know what to do. Then we head to Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Like we actually expect higher prices. Like previous week, we are expecting higher prices. So then I was expecting maybe price could come to this bullish order block, but as you can see, the price worked with this week. So if you take Fibonacci tool from the low to high, so we actually respecting the 50% of this week. So we use this week to push price higher. So on daily, that is exactly what we saw. This is on Monday. Price open on Monday, we go down. Then we open on Tuesday. We had this 50% respecting price. Then we push higher. That's on Nasdaq. Then S&P 500. You always know that I'm expecting higher prices in index S&P, Nasdaq, US30. So I'm expecting higher prices. That is for that. So on Monday we had this down movement, then Tuesday. So we are respecting this level. Nothing is clear here yet, but I will wait for a few days to see is this level holding, to know what to do. Daily is not clear. Probably maybe when you go to lower 1 hour, or maybe you can see intraday play to play. But for now, I'm still bullish, but I will still see some sign of bullishness maybe before, or we can like this is a weekly time frame. We can just use come a little bit, use 50% of this before we move higher. So, but I want to see the way the candle on Monday we print. Then if we will have something like a weak pin bar, bullish pin bar, that shows some sign to continue to move higher, then I will gladly take that. Then we go to US30. US30 is really interesting level. You can see at this 45,000 4500 price is really, each time price came here you reject immediately. So price is really rejecting this level. So probably we might see something like a little bit retracement to this fair value gap. Probably from there we continue to move higher. So if we can see something like this, but I will expect the retracement wouldn't close inside this fair value gap. So sorry, excuse me. So this retracement, so I will expect price just come here, give us a probably we move higher, but don't close inside this fair value gap. I wouldn't want this price to close inside this fair value gap before we move higher. So that will be my expectation on US30. Then the last but not the least, gold. Let me see what gold is saying on weekly time frame. Yes, I think this week probably markets open Monday. This is quite alright, ranging at this level, because we use this week. Then this week we are working with the 50% of this week, so price rejected it immediately, coming down. So the next place to target again is this sell side liquidity. So we have this sweet sell side liquidity. Probably we hit this daily bullish order block. Probably when we go to a daily time frame, you see this daily order block. So I'm expecting lower prices on this gold. So I will be expecting lower prices. Then the way we are here, I'll be watching this level. Watching this level, and if we come to, there will be a little bit obstruction here, because this is we break out, we clear this low, break structure. This is break structure. So this level we might likely consolidate. Excuse me, let me draw this normal, like this level. We might likely consolidate at that level. Let me draw normal. Okay, like this. So I'll be watching the way price will react with this order block. So, but I'm really kind of bearish on this. So I will expect price on a lower time frame give some signatures to go down, but this level should be mindful of this level, this order block. So guys, that will be all for this week weekly analysis and market expectation. All right, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and trade smart and be safe.